Okay na ba?
So, hi guys, today we're gonna be playing Build a Plane.
Developing? Bro, I played that before.
Okay.
I played that
Is
before.
this your problem?
What?
Is this your problem?
No?
Okay.
Bro. Hello! Bro, not this one.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Serious?
It's not stable balance anymore. Oh no. Oh,
You
it's still
already
a few.
played that?
Yeah.
Yo, I think that game is super fun.
Okay, so now leave me alone. Up, ngani.
See, I already played this. See?
Yeah, I'm gonna just see if
Look at my plane, ate.
Okay.
There's 2 seats. Sit there. Drive it. Is it starting to connect? Or what? No! No! Sit.
It's because you played it with your touch screen.
It's connected. Ate, nakakonect na.
Oh, but you're going down. You're pressing back, not forward.
Bro, tumataas ako. Bro, somebody just jump up to my airplane.
Are you recording a video too?
No. I'll record it. But I will not post it. 3, 2,
Okay.
1. Hi guys.
Yosh is also filming a video.
Oh hell no. I couldn't jump. Look how far I am.
Ah.
I'm definitely far. Look.
Can we do our own sides? This is my side.
Lako na ba?
This is
Ano lagay mo na sa hagdan?
I fell.
Ay, yung mo na sa hagdan? Ay, ano? Ha? Diba kung wala mamaya ka paalis? Hindi nakahabang sa pinto. Ha?
Okay guys.
let's purchase some gears.
Let's drive it.
Alright, so wait, this is not the gears I need.
What?
Oh,
Go
okay.
backwards. Can I go backwards, right?
Oh wait, this is one. We're buying all of that.
Are you survived?
And then we need a tail. Then where's best fuel? Best fuel. How much is best fuel?
That's
There's
fuel.
no-
What is that?
Here.
Look
Best-
how much my money.
Look at I have 34,000.
I have. Yo, yours is bigger.
I know. How to build?
Yo,
one?
my
Oh.
gas. Is this our gas, ate? Ate, is this the gas?
Yeah.
Farther.
Oh, I already got better fuel.
Yo, it's going up. Oh, please land to the safe one. No, I landed it. No, look how much money I got.
Oh,
Where
wait.
I'm going. Kalimutan natin.
Two propellers. No, I don't want to do this.
Go in your top.
Here.
What should I buy? This?
I need more blocks.
What?
I need a seat.
I got already 2 seats.
Why is there no blocks in stock? Oh wait, I forgot I bought them all.
Bro, why'd you buy them all?
Girl, you're in another server than me.
Ate,
Yeah.
how do this one go out? No, hello.
It's because you're using touchscreen. Put a wing here.
No, I cannot. Bro, can you fix it?
Why me?
Because I don't know, though.
I'm doing a video here. Please.
This goes bad.
You're the one who's acting bad.
No, it's not. Sorry. Okay, anyways.
Kanino ba yan?
Hindi ko nga alam.
Sa'yo.
Hindi ko nga alam yan eh. Good.
There's just a random wheel at the back. Okay, so I'm gonna launch it now.
Bro, I'm gonna fall. I'm gonna fall. Backward. Now forward. That is yours.
That's daddy ko yun.
Please land to the safe one. Please land it to the safe one, please. Please, not there. Please land it to the safe one, guys. Guys, if you join me, no.
Okay, I did that on purpose.
You did it on purpose?
Just talk to yours, okay?
Alright guys, bye. I'll buy some blocks. At least. No. Okay, buy it all. Anyways.
I need one more seat.
No!
Putting the best fuel here. 6 fuel.
Anyways, guys, I'll just fly and leave her alone.
Are you still recording? No. Why are you talking? One more propeller.
Don't have to.
Need more propellers. I've finished all the propellers.
Do you get some money?
Annyeong, my name is Penny.
My name is Nikki. Somebody ride my boat. I love your boat.
That's a plane. You forgot? It's an airplane.
No, this is a boat. A boat can fly.
She's so dumb.
What do you call me a dum dum?
Yeah, because can a boat really fly?
Yeah.
No.
Yo, you're fast.
I know. Daddy, yung boat ba nakakalipad? Yung boat ba nakakalipad? Hindi daw eh. Oh my god, I'm so slow. Ah!
I will go to the sideline.
Jillian, kausap ka ng daddy mo ata.
Asia, Europe. Asia, Europe. Oceania.
Yeah, no, I need to go there.
United States.
No, yeah.
USA. Canada.
I'm going up. No. I just.
North America. USA. Canada. Brazil. Mexico.
Oh no.
NCR. Luzon. Visayas. Luzon. Luzon. NCR. Landmark. Region 1.
In the propeller, is there anything in stock?
Ano ba? Hindi.
Lettering not in stock. Barrel fuels. Water propeller. Delta wing.
Yes, I am on a danger. Who put this?
Not me.
Yeah, I know it's you.
I didn't even touch your laptop.
Sino mas mabilis?
Guys, she always blames me for everything. Even the dumbest things. I need more fuel.
So that makes you. We are gonna remove the best cousin.
I already did that.
We already did it?
Yeah.
No! Bruh.
Bruh. Wala, tira mo. Dali.
Bilis. Sino kayo, Ma?
Mami, nagkukook na ulit si Mama. Second time.
Okay.
Look at my plane. Ah!
It's so fast. Tawag ka ko. Sino laseng? Yo, you're so fast. Can you do it to mine?
No, you do it. It's yours.
I don't know. Please.
You just get more fuel and then more propellers.
Where's this one.
Yeah. Yo, I'm in the Battle Kingdom. Yo, I need to reach the desert biome. Yes, I reached the desert biome. Ah. Oh no.
Yo, I'm almost on the desert.
Oh, the desert biome is all the way over there.
But I can still reach it later. I still reach it later. Just wait until the sea. No, I get the kingdom that is battling. Battle Kingdom.
You know one of those, that can make you chicken daw.
Yeah, Daddy.
I have a weird structure. Oh god damn. Ah! I wasn't looking. I'm so sorry for the background. They're very noisy.
Papa, chicken matete, chicken matoto, chicken matete, chicken matoto.
Can you?
No. Don't die there. Kachia pet. I'm done. Now I'm here again.
Yes, I got more fuel. I'm gonna take out the wings. The chicken wings.
I'm just not there. Next Sunday. We got more gas. Just want to dance. Just want to dance. Just want to dance.
Your friends like dance. Yo, I'm so fast.
Yeah, you're fast as you speed.
Boosh. Oh wait, I forgot to place the propellers. I'm so dumb. Bro, I didn't mean to place it there.
If you're dumb, I'm dumb. I'm the most dumb, right?
Yeah.
Is that true?
Yeah.
Yeah. I'm the dumb in this house. After, if you crash a little bit, this is what will happen to your plane.
Yeah, it will take off a little bit.
Yeah. It happened to you.
Yeah. This happened to me a very lot of times.
This is one of them. Me and my friends.
Oh my god, so ladies, we have crashed.
Ate, what team are you? Team boys or team girls?
Team girls, of course.
Me are team boys. The boys are team girls.
So you're gay?
What?
You're gay?
No!
So why did you say you're team boys?
No!
Why?
I don't have it.
That's alright. I'm in a private server.
Is that your private server?
That's why nobody's with me. See?
Only me?
No, you're not even in here. Hold on, I gotta crash.
Actually, is that your private server?
Yeah,
And that's my favorite game.
that's alright.
Bro, can you give some space for my hand? My hand's gonna slip.
There. You know what? Huwag mo kaya ako umupo.
Isumbong kita.
Take off your hand.
Achoo!
No more putting hands on seats. I will sumbong to you to your daddy. No. Then why are you gonna sumbong me?
Oh, finally, the socks. This crap,
Ugh!
Look, I'm fast.
Okay, so guys, that's all. Ay, no more putting hands on seats. Alright guys, so that's all for today.
Bye.
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 Thanks
Bye.
for watching.